Starting in top orthographic view, I've already deleted everything in the default. Do a Shift A, mesh and a plane. Look at its defaults, and they are 2 meters and 2 meters. So go in here, and if I say, let's put on the screencast keys, and do that, that's fine. If we say tab into edit mode, and then we say S for scale, lowercase s, 50 return, then that will create me a plane of not 50 but 100, so 50 times 2, and I read that as meaning that it is taking 50 to be effectively the radius of this square if you draw a circle within its boundary. That's that part. And the next thing we're going to do is to create a material, and the material is to be called grass. I'll copy that and save it for use elsewhere. And so at the moment it has no attributes, as it were, but what I will do is go down to here, viewport display, go to color, and pick something that is I may explain this later why we're doing this. I didn't want that, want that, and then add a bit of darkness to it, and that's good enough, I think. Okay. Yeah, so while we're here, going to rename these other things, grass, okay. And having done that, I now want to do a subdivide surface. So I go to the modifier, add modifier, generate, scroll down, subdivision surface. Always get that wrong. We don't want this shape here, so we go to simple, and then go to levels, viewport of 6, and everything else is fine and dandy. Now what I have noticed, and I'm sure it's a bug here, is if you don't click apply at the time and you come back later, your chance has gone. The apply has been greyed out, and maybe that's kind of deliberate because I move focus, but anyway, it will not work. And then in the particular example, wait to apply it again. So again, add modifier subdivision surface. Did I get that right? And another apply. So it's in object mode at the moment. If I tab into edit mode, I must have my doggy in the window. Z and solid. So why isn't that showing? It's in edit mode. Oh, it's because there are so many subdivisions because I've applied it twice. I guess that's fine, because as you zoom in, you see all these many subdivisions. What does it do? I don't know. Does it divide either an existing default set? I could look at that. I could look at that. That it then divides or multiplies by 2 and then multiplies by 2 again if you do that. Anyway, that's enough for now. Bye.